Greetings, members one and all of the Salivation Nation. It is time for a silver unboxing again. Yes, indeed. Some pieces and some coins that I've kind of taken an interest in, and they are made of silver. And this is coming to us from AppMax, as is the case here. So we're going to act accordingly and unbox this all the way down to the bare minimum. You know there will be a package inside of a package, as is always the case here. And we're going to pull that out and take a look here inside. All right, very good. Pull this out here. We're ripping it and roaring it. We've got to cut it and we've got to rip that crazy thing out there. There we go. All right, very good. Let's pull this bag out here and cut that down to the bare minimum and take out the contents. Very exciting. Marginally exciting. All right. Very good. Even when I cut it, it still has more to go. Boy, that's a strong piece of that. All right. There they are. Very good. They come in capsules. They are 3. That's right. You said it. That's right. There are 3 2020 Ukrainian Angels, Silver Angels. 3 Ukrainian Silver Angels. All right. There they are. Let's free them from their little baggies. MX has been doing that. They've been putting them in little bags. And so we're going to pull them out and take a look at each one of these. Very exciting. And I believe they've changed a little bit of the design this year, if I'm not mistaken. I don't have my other one to show as an example, but the obverse here is the same. But there it is. Very, very cool indeed, I think. The Ukrainian Angel. This is a coin that Provident had for a while, but they sold out very, very quickly. So I saw AppMax had them. And I went ahead and made a purchase of them. And these come in capsules this year, which I think is great. But I have a feeling that once these coins go, they are gone. I don't know what the mintage are on them, but back years they carry quite a premium. So I wanted to get a few of these. In order to meet minimum shipping requirements, I had to order 3. But there they are. And so the reverse has some security features to them, which is quite different this year. And I think this is the first year they've done it that I know of. And so there it is. Very cool indeed. But it does have sort of a matte finish to it. It is a metal turn and a reeded edge, 1 ounce of fine silver. 2020 is the year of issue, and they're 4 9s fine silver, by the way, which I think is pretty cool. They're doing it in 4 9s fine silver. I'm not sure what previous years are, but it has the purity and the weight, 31.1, which is 1 ounce of fine silver, although 1 ounce is not listed on here, and at least in English. I don't know if it's right there, but it has the denomination. Everything is in Ukrainian. And this the Archangel, Michael the Archangel there. Kind of a Gothic sort of or high Renaissance, kind of Middle Ages type of view with the sword there. And there they all are. And they each look fairly nice. A little bit of issues with some of the capsules, perhaps some scrapes on the capsule, but otherwise they look very nice. Michael the Archangel, very, very cool. 3 of those. And, you know, I had been wanting to get the Archangel coin for quite some time, but just had missed the boat in previous years. I thought I'd catch up on some of these easier. I don't know, do they make these in gold? I've never checked, but that would be kind of cool to have. In some ways, given the reverse of this, my little critique of the design and the decoration around and how much is filled up on this side of the coin, I almost think there ought to be a little bit more going on this side. Perhaps maybe security features or radial lines going out of some sort, or something in the background or something. Maybe clouds or something. They give it a little bit more, less negative space there. Or they could have just made the angel larger and maybe split the words and have the angel fill up the whole field of the coin. That would be my recommendation. Otherwise, very detailed, very nicely done. The Archangel, Michael, 2020. Very, very cool indeed. All right. You know, I'm not even sure if it's Michael the Archangel, but it is an Archangel nonetheless. I like these security features as well. They kind of repeat this same logo in the background there. So that's pretty fascinating, pretty cool indeed. All right, so let's see them all together. 3 silver Ukrainian angels. Indeed, all together there, all together. All right. Post your thoughts below about these angels, and what kind of silver coins have you been looking out for that you've missed the boat on that you'd like to get. That there's several generic bullion pieces that I know of in years gone by that I missed the boat on that I'd like to pick up on. I've not been able to find them. So there's, I think that's the one thing. If there's a design you like, even if it's generic or privately issued bullion, you know, with rounds or bars or what have you, do you just go ahead and pick it up, or do you wait? You know, it's like, it's hard to, those are decisions that you have to make, especially if you're like me, and I'm really a collector at heart. And what it boils down to for me is I'm a collector. And so as a collector, it makes it quite difficult to pass up on some of these if you really like them. But you have to keep in mind budget, and you have to understand that when you buy, you know, you may not necessarily recapture some of the premiums. They can make a whole bunch of these, and if I need to sell them, well, I may not get a whole lot for them, depending on the market you sell them. But if I take them to my local coin shop, where they're going to give me spot price for these, they will not give me the actual numismatic value, more than likely. Something to consider there. All right, so there they are, 3 silver archangels from the Ukraine. I'd like to extend a multitude of gratitude to you all for taking the time to watch, and encourage you to please rate, share, comment, and subscribe.